Now that we've divided each number in the sequence by the one adjacent to the right, now let's do the opposite. Now let's divide the numbers in the sequence by the number adjacent to the left. Any time that you divide the larger number by the one directly to its left, you are always going to get 1.618. This is the golden ratio. And the further away you get from zero along that Fibonacci sequence, the closer you are going to get to exactly 1.618. Now let's look at this in action. How is this going to help us, JC? Well, when we have a prior trend in place, in this case, we're looking at an uptrend, and we reach that pivot high and begin to correct, that's normal, perfectly normal. It should be expected. Once we return back to that former level of resistance, the market is going to recognize that overhead supply. We discussed that in the polarity section of the educational video. Once we break out above that former level of resistance, many times you get the kickback and turns into support. But what if once you're above that level, we're in uncharted territory and we've never been here before and we're at all-time highs? There is no former resistance to look for. Well, we take the prior correction and we calculate what would represent approximately 161.8% of that correction to get our next target, the 161.8% extension of the previous consolidation. That's our target.